Good morning, you all. I think I'm only gonna do 13 miles today. It's kind of up in the air. It's either 13 or 20. But 13 is all I actually kind of had planned today, which really is perfect because yesterday my feet were hurting pretty bad. They always feel okay in the morning though, so we'll see. Maybe it was just a thing because they were so wet. I don't know. So last night in the shelter, there was 6 of us in there, and there's 2 people snoring, one on each end, basically. And I was the second from the end, so I was sleeping right next to one of them. And we were laying in the same direction, so in the middle of the night, I decided to flip around in hopes that it wouldn't be as loud. And it kind of worked. But then that end of the shelter smelled like piss. It's pretty gross. It's like amazing how nasty you can be out here, and I mean, somehow be okay with it. I mean, but you just kind of roll with it, really. Like, I can't wait to somehow be able to power wash my shoes. I mean, and one of the things that I left was my gaiters. Not on purpose, it was a total accident, but I wish I had them to leave some of the grimy stuff out of my shoes. But, you know, it is what it is. I am so excited about this water source. It is looking like a great place to wash my shoes and my socks and anything else that has all kinds of nasty stuff all over it. Oh, I'm so excited right now. Got my shoes nice and clean, but look what just happened. Ugh. Frick. I have other cordage, but that still sucks. Damn it. Oh, better. I used some Zing-It that I had, and you know, I think I like it better than actual shoelaces. They slide through the whatever you call these. It just laces up better. Tightens up better. I kind of like it. I might do the same thing with the other shoe if I can. I don't know if I have enough extra, but I like it. Okay, Marilyn. You know, I really thought that you and I would get along and have this great relationship. But so far, you've been nothing but wet and muddy. And now this, you know? Like, what's up, Marilyn? What did I ever do to you? I guess it's just prepping me for Pennsylvania. I'm gonna cry my whole way through that state. Like, I have this, like, I passionately hate rocks. I hate them. So, you know, I think my videos are gonna turn into like a soap opera. Yeah, just flat out soap opera drama between me and the rocks of Pennsylvania. I'm so not looking forward to crossing the state line, which is messed up. You should be looking forward to that. No, I am looking forward to it because it means that I'm making progress, and anytime you cross over a state line is really exciting. But, you know, maybe Pennsylvania could be like a smaller state to go through. That'd be really cool. If anybody knows how to make that happen, I'd really love if you could just, you know, get on that. Because I'll be in Pennsylvania either today or tomorrow, so, you know, you got a couple hours to make that happen. Thanks in advance. Okay, so this is Theodore the turtle. Don't turn your shoulder to me. Theodore, come back, Theodore. Tell the world hi. You're a star, Theodore. You're a star. See you later, Theodore. You made my day. Hope you find lots of bugs and worms or whatever you eat. You're really cute. So I just ran into some other hikers, and she has the same pack I do. Hers is, what is it, 48?
45, yeah.
45 liter. So it's a little bit smaller than mine, but, and you love it, right?
Yep. Still fits everything. Yep. Love it.
Oh.
It's obviously packed to the gills at the moment, but.
Yeah, that's so cool. We were just talking about how awesome granite gear is, you know. A little bit of a biased opinion, I guess, but we love it.
Yeah.
So how long are you all out for?
We're doing the 40 mile. We allowed like 3.5, 4 days.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
We're
just
doing the
all of
whole
Maryland
Yeah.
section? Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
So,
Well, it's a great section. It's been really muddy, but hopefully it's dried up a little bit for you all.
A little bit so
well,
far.
we're doing it
Yeah.
so that we're heading towards the mess, and by then we're hoping the flooding and all's over down in Harper's Ferry.
Harper's, yeah.
So we
That's
start
really
at
smart.
Penmar and we're going to end up in Harper's Ferry.
Yeah, cool. Well, it's nice to meet you.
Yes.
Nice to
Good
meet you.
luck.
Yeah, so their names were Mike and Michelle, and they are father and daughter, and just really nice folks. I am so excited because I just met Anne. And, but I did like an unpacking video when I went through all the stuff you gave me. So she's the one that had a package waiting for me at the ATC headquarters. And I literally, ironically, just ate her Justin's peanut butter cup that she gave me. And then she shows up. Like, what?
Trail magic.
That's so awesome. So I did tell her that I was coming through today. It's not like she's, you know, being a crazy person looking for me, but...
Maybe.
No, like I actually wanted to meet her, so I told her, you know, like I'm going to be coming through here anyways. Am I digging myself a hole? No, I'm so happy to meet you.
Yeah.
Seriously, she said she might have a beer for me, but what's better than a beer is meeting her. So I'm really happy right now.
I'm really happy too.
So that was super cool for me to be able to meet Anne. It was really exciting. I didn't expect that. I love when a trail opens up and it gives you a different view. It keeps it spicy. What is your name again?
Honeybun.
Honeybun! That's right. So, because I took a week off, I'm making a lot of new friends again. And Honeybun is behind me. So I take it you like honey buns?
What's that?
I take it you like honey buns?
I love honey buns. The ultimate breakfast food.
Breakfast of champions.
Yep.
Honey buns. I like the icing ones.
Yeah, those are pretty good. I actually got the name because I was traveling with a group of like 40-year-olds.
Yeah.
The first few weeks, and they kept making fun of me for looking super young. I'm 23,
Okay.
and so they were just making fun of me. And I was clean shaven at the time. I didn't have this weird scruff on my face. And so one of them comes over to me. She's like, I was eating a honey bun at the time, actually. She's like, just look at him with his little face. He doesn't have a beard. He just looks like a little honey bun. And everyone around was like, that's it. That's his name.
That's your name.
Yeah.
You can't escape it.
Yep.
Oh. So you had like a little old lady give it to you?
A what?
Was it an older woman?
Yes.
Okay. That's even better.
Yeah. Didn't love it at first, but it's grown on me.
Yeah.
I think it fits. At some point, you accept it. Did you have Pee-wee from the get-go, or did you get it on the trail?
I earned it on the trail.
Awesome.
I peed on my pillow and still used it.
Yes, that's amazing. Well played.
You know, it's funny now that, it's kind of funny, like earlier in the trail, towards the beginning, I would tell people that and they're like, oh God, that's great, you know.
Yeah.
The reaction would be a lot bigger or whatever. And now I tell people, and most of the time anybody's like, oh, that's not that bad.
Yeah.
Oh, I've heard worse, or
Yeah, everyone's gross out here.
like, don't we all wear our pee
Yeah.
at this point? Like, we kind of do,
Well,
actually.
if you didn't intentionally pee on your pillow, then I think it's fine.
Yeah, well,
Well, did you?
no,
Okay. You got quiet.
it definitely was not intentional. Oh God, I can't think of a reason I would want to pee on my pillow. That's funny. Well, I have tried so hard all day to keep my feet dry, and I think it's about to be all for nothing. Which sucks because I think my shoes were finally starting to dry out. Ah, damn it! Okay, I'm making it real quick, real quick. Ah! Okay, they got wet. Not that bad though. Not that bad. Oh, dang. That's really pretty though, look. Well, I just passed a hiker going southbound, and he made it a point to let me know that I'm about to cross the stream, and absolutely do not whatsoever cross it barefoot. He said the rocks are just really, really slick. So, I guess we'll see what he's talking about. Alright, so this is the stream that guy was talking about, and it just doesn't look that bad to me. I've been walking in wet shoes for 3 days, and they are actually starting to dry out. So I just don't want to start the drying out process all over again. So it's a risk I'm willing to take. I'm going to take them off and just be real careful crossing the stream. Okay, so that is very cold. But the rocks are really slippery, so if you step more in the like gravel sort of pebbles, you're fine. And then where the rock is slippery, you just kind of like, you know, rub that gunk off and it seems to be fine. So, oh yeah, here's how I got my feet taped up too. Seems to be helping. But anyways, I'm gonna get off here and go for this. And I'm just gonna be real careful so I don't fall. Well, that was a success. I am very happy with my decision. And while taking my shoes on and off, I realized that they're actually drier than I thought, so, which makes me even more happy about my decision. And I only got about a mile left. So I'll be getting to camp about 4:30. And I'm gonna set my hammock up tonight for the first time. And I don't actually know how long. It's been several hundred miles, I feel like, since I set my hammock up last. So I'm actually kind of excited to play with it again. That's beautiful. Somebody's refilling on water. Ooh, I just want to jump right in that. So that looks like a blue blaze to possibly a good view. I don't actually know where it goes, but I'm assuming it's a good view. But those are rocks that I don't have to hike through, so I'm not going to. These are rocks that I do have to hike through, so that's the way we're going. I feel bad for skipping a possibly good view, but you know, sometimes I don't mind skipping them from time to time. If my feet weren't bothering me like they are, I probably would have. But whew, it's a pretty area. So this is Raven Rock Shelter. And I just asked him if I had to pay to stay here because it's so nice. Oh my gosh.
Did you guys get through before the break?
No, but
That is super. Somebody smells really good too.
I put on hand sanitizer if you want some.
Ooh. I'm good, but I'm just like, wow. I don't feel like I'm in the wilderness anymore. Somebody smells amazing, and this shelter is like a hotel out here. That's so awesome. Wow. It's back!
What's up?
With ice cold beer. Her bag is literally dripping because she has a busted bag of ice in there.
There's hoagies too.
I want to see this happen.
What?
Oh my gosh.
And a raincoat because it's been raining for 5 days. But seriously.
Yeah, what else do you need? Just a raincoat and beer. I don't believe it. What is that?
You're incredible, woman.
That's incredible.
Italian subs.
Oh my gosh.
They do not have dressing on them, so.
Wow.
I have a bunch of mayonnaise.
You're my
We've got
favorite.
mayo.
Spicy brown, whole grain
Oh,
mustard.
we do have all that mustard.
Oh my gosh.
Full
Stylo's carrying.
Am I supposed to be helping you? Is that what we're
Yeah.
doing? Oh! What? Oh my gosh.
More Christmas, y'all.
Oh my god.
You're amazing. Can I kiss you? Oh. Okay, here's to Anne, the best trail angel ever.
This is the best day of my life.
That's my son!
It's just amazing.
That's my boy!
It's just amazing. Somebody just arrived, and I think it's a celebrity.
Look at that! Look at that handsome face.
Yes.
Okay, what is your name?
Look at those guns.
Gramps.
Gramps. Okay, you're like a celebrity who just walked in.
He's always a celebrity.
And you're on YouTube, unless you don't want to be.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Hi, YouTube.
Bye, Ann! We're gonna miss you!
See you on the interweb.
Interweb!
Finger food. Good. Diablo.
We definitely didn't.
There goes my new best friend.
Did he back? Do not get lost.
Okay, I got her out for the first time in such a while. But I made some modifications. I have a sleeve now for my tarp, and I connected my tarp. It's not focusing. Well, okay. I connected the tarp straight to the prusik knots, and now the ridgeline goes underneath, which is nice if I want to hang anything out to dry or whatever. I also got a bug net, which is from Hummingbird Hammocks, and it's just got the one zipper that goes down the middle, which I need 2 hands to do apparently. So it'll be my first night trying that out, and yeah, that's about it. The biggest difference is that my ridgeline is now connected to my tarp, so I'm excited to see how easy it is to take down in the morning. Oh, there I laced my other shoe with the Zingit. Yeah, that was a really happy accident. I was super pissed when it happened, but it turns out that I really like Zingit for shoelaces. But I'm going to call it a night and get in my little cocoon, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Ooh, I almost dropped my phone. So I'm reading comments that you all have left in my videos, and some of y'all are really funny, and then some of y'all are just so stinking sweet. I can't stand it. So thank you. Thank you guys for just pouring your hearts out, and thank you for making me laugh, and thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you for supporting my fundraising campaign. If you have donated, thank you so much for that. Just thank you so much. Like, you guys make my day most of the time. Y'all just you make my day, and I don't think I give you enough credit for what you all really do for me. And yeah, just thank you. That's all.